sorry, I did it again.
Part 72 of my 6-week ride, motor rallies, camping, and mountain passes. Riding from Gunnison to Monarch Pass in Colorado.
Oh, no ethanol premium. Awesome, yep, got it. Oh man, look, this back part is like actually black. Yeah, your turn signals are a wee bit dusty there. Now I can see your turn signals. That was interesting. Front brake just did a weird thing. I did that the other day too. We are going east on US 50 from Gunnison towards Cannon City. Lots of cute farms in this area. My engine's running kind of hot. It's running like a 215, which is fine if it's 90 degrees. But it has me a little worried since it's not that hot out. See, it's 85 out. See, 222. Okay. Gunnison National Forest. Oh, my bike did a little putt. No. Okay, stay in the slow lane, okay? Because my bike's putting. I need to put stuff in it. Okay, I put my phone away because it's going to rain, but this is waterproof, right? So
yes.
Okay. We just filled up. My tank should still be almost full. And it isn't. Looks like we're going to hit rain. Yeah, bike's cooled down a little bit. Good. It did it again. There's no one behind me, so. No, I'll put more stuff in it when we get to the top. We're almost there, I think. I don't know what I'd wait for. I did put some heat and stuff in it, but this is okay. Okay. All right. Well, let's get to the top where there's somewhere to hang out. Is there a spot there? Okay, keep going. Okay, we're almost there. I'm just putting. Okay. There's a big parking lot at the top, so we're good. There's no one behind us. Just stay way behind me in case I'm putting along like I'm jerking. See, I'm 204. So my temperature is getting lower. I'm 206. Exiting. All right.
Hit like, subscribe, share, and add a comment.
Continental Divide. Picture, and then we'll let them cool down. Is that good? 212. All right, hang on. Stay.
Click the notifications bell and you'll be notified for our next video as we continue our ride in Colorado. Follow me on social media, links in the description below.